Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make WhatsApp photos automatically save to your device on iPhone or Android. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To make images save to your device automatically, open WhatsApp, and if you're on iPhone, tap on Settings in the bottom right, and if you're on Android, tap on the three dots icon in the top right, and then choose Settings. In the settings, choose Chats from the list and then find the Save to Photos option. You can turn on the toggle switch here and future images received should now be saved to your photos or gallery, and they might be in their own WhatsApp folder. That's how to make WhatsApp photos automatically save to your device on iPhone or Android. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.